Does a stay-at-home parent or a parent making less than the spouse receive court-ordered child support from the time of separation? Child support will most likely be awarded to the child's primary caregiver. However, if the children spend more time with the higher-earning parent, they may be awarded child support. In Kentucky, child support is almost automatically granted when it's requested, but you must formally ask for it. You need to formally file a petition with the court to request child support. Child support calculations follow set legal guidelines, considering factors such as the income levels of both parents and the time the children spend with each parent. Need more information on child support court orders? We can help. You can get the support you need by contacting Tim Hendrix at Tim Hendrix Attorney at Law PLLC. You can reach us by phone or online by visiting our website at www.timhendrixlaw.com.